आप मेरी मदद क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why can you not help me? Why can you not help me? वह समय पर क्यों नहीं आ सका? Why could he not come on time? Why could he not come on time? हम इस योजना को क्यों नहीं बदल सकते? Why can we not change this plan? Why can we not change this plan? वे दरवाजा क्यों नहीं खोल सके? Why could they not open the door? Why could they not open the door? तुम झूठ क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? Why can you not tell a lie? Why can you not tell a lie? उसे नौकरी क्यों नहीं मिल सकी? Why could she not get the job? Why could she not get the job? तुम यहाँ क्यों नहीं बैठ सकते? Why can you not sit here? Why can you not sit here? बच्चा सो क्यों नहीं सका? Why could the baby not sleep? Why could the baby not sleep? आप अपनी कार क्यों नहीं बेच सकते? Why can you not sell your car? Why can you not sell your car? पुलिस चोर को क्यों नहीं पकड़ सकी? Why could the police not catch the thief? Why could the police not catch the thief? हम मैच क्यों नहीं जीत सकते? Why can we not win the match? Why can we not win the match? वह कल खाना क्यों नहीं बना सकी? Why could she not cook food yesterday? Why could she not cook food yesterday? तुम सच क्यों नहीं बता सकते? Why can you not tell the truth? Why can you not tell the truth? तुम गाड़ी क्यों नहीं चला सके? Why could you not drive the car? Why could you not drive the car? वह अंग्रेजी क्यों नहीं बोल सकता? Why can he not speak English? Why can he not speak English? आप कल मीटिंग में क्यों नहीं आ सके? Why could you not come to the meeting yesterday? Why could you not come to the meeting yesterday? वे पैसे क्यों नहीं लौटा सकते? Why can they not return the money? Why can they not return the money? तुम उसे क्यों नहीं समझा सके? Why could you not make him understand? Why could you not make him understand? राहुल खाना क्यों नहीं खा सकता? Why can Rahul not eat food? Why can Rahul not eat food? बारिश क्यों नहीं रुक सकी? Why could the rain not stop? Why could the rain not stop? वह ये भारी बॉक्स कैसे नहीं उठा सकता? How can he not lift this heavy box? How can he not lift this heavy box? तुम वहां समय पर कैसे नहीं पहुंच सके? How could you not reach there on time? How could you not reach there on time? हम इस समस्या को कैसे नहीं सुलझा सकते? How can we not solve this problem? How can we not solve this problem? वे रास्ता कैसे नहीं ढूंढ सके? How could they not find the way? How could they not find the way? तुम उसे कैसे नहीं पहचान सकते? How can you not recognize him? How can you not recognize him? वह तैरना कैसे नहीं सीख सका? How could he not learn to swim? How could he not learn to swim? आप मुझे भूल कैसे सकते हैं? How can you not remember me? How can you not remember me? वे इसे कैसे नहीं समझ सके? How could they not understand this? How could they not understand this? तुम बिना पैसों के कैसे नहीं रह सकते? How can you not live without money? How can you not live without money? वह अपनी चाबियां कैसे नहीं ढूंढ सकी? How could she not find her keys? How could she not find her keys? आप ये काम कैसे नहीं कर सकते? How can you not do this work? How can you not do this work? टीम मैच कैसे नहीं हार सकी? How could the team not lose the match? How could the team not lose the match? हम यहाँ कैसे नहीं रुक सकते? How can we not stay here? How can we not stay here? वह अपनी हंसी कैसे नहीं रोक सकी? How could she not stop her laughter? How could she not stop her laughter? तुम गाना कैसे नहीं गा सकते? How can you not sing a song? How can you not sing a song? वह परीक्षा कैसे पास नहीं कर सका? How could he not pass the exam? How could he not pass the exam? तुम लैपटॉप कैसे नहीं चला सकते? How can you not operate the laptop? How can you not operate the laptop? वह चुप कैसे नहीं रह सका? How could he not keep quiet? How could he not keep quiet? वे नया घर कैसे नहीं खरीद सकते? How can they not buy a new house? How can they not buy a new house? वह अपनी गलती कैसे नहीं मान सका? How could he not admit his mistake? How could he not admit his mistake? तुम क्या नहीं कर सकते? What can you not do? What can you not do? वह क्या नहीं कह सका? What could he not say? What could he not say? आप कहाँ नहीं जा सकते? Where can you not go? Where can you not go? वे कहाँ नहीं छुप सके? Where could they not hide? Where could they not hide? हम क्या नहीं देख सकते? What can we not see? What can we not see? वह कल कहाँ नहीं जा सकी? Where could she not go yesterday? Where could she not go yesterday? तुम क्या नहीं खरीद सकते? What can you not buy? What can you not buy? वे क्या नहीं खा सके? What could they not eat? What could they not eat? पक्षी कहाँ नहीं उड़ सकते? Where can birds not fly? Where can birds not fly? तुम क्या नहीं पढ़ सके? What could you not read? What could you not read? आप क्या नहीं पहन सकते? What can you not wear? What can you not wear? वह क्या नहीं पी सका? What could he not drink? What could he not drink? हम कहाँ नहीं खेल सकते? Where can we not play? Where can we not play? वे कल कहाँ नहीं पहुँच सके? Where could they not reach yesterday? Where could they not reach yesterday? तुम क्या नहीं बदल सकते? What can you not change? What can you not change? वह कल क्या नहीं ला सका? What could he not bring yesterday? What could he not bring yesterday? आप कहाँ नहीं सो सकते? Where can you not sleep? Where can you not sleep? वे क्या नहीं देख सके? What could they not see? What could they not see? तुम क्या नहीं सीख सकते? What can you not learn? What can you not learn? वह कहाँ नहीं बैठ सका? Where could he not sit? Where could he not sit? तुम कब नहीं आ सकते? When can you not come? When can you not come? वह कब नहीं जा सका? When could he not go? When could he not go? कौन यह नहीं कर सकता? Who can not do this? Who can not do this? कौन समय पर नहीं पहुंच सका? Who could not reach on time? Who could not reach on time? तुम कौन सी फिल्म नहीं देख सकते? Which movie can you not watch? Which movie can you not watch? वे कौन सा मैच नहीं जीत सके? Which match could they not win? Which match could they not win? वह कब नहीं पढ़ सकता? When can he not study? When can he not study? तुम कब नहीं सो सके? When could you not sleep? When could you not sleep? कौन खाना नहीं बना सकता? Who can not cook food? Who can not cook food? कौन वहाँ नहीं जा सका? Who could not go there? Who could not go there? तुम कौन सा रंग नहीं चुन सकते? Which color can you not choose? Which color can you not choose? वह कौन सी भाषा नहीं बोल सका? Which language could he not speak? Which language could he not speak? हम कब नहीं खेल सकते? When can we not play? When can we not play? वे कब नहीं लौट सके? When could they not return? When could they not return? कौन सच नहीं बोल सकता? Who cannot tell the truth? Who cannot tell the truth? कौन जवाब नहीं दे सका? Who could not answer? Who could not answer? आप कौन सा गाना नहीं गा सकते? Which song can you not sing? Which song can you not sing? वह कौन सी किताब नहीं पढ़ सका? Which book could he not read? Which book could he not read? तुम कब नहीं मिल सकते? When can you not meet? When can you not meet? वे कब नहीं भाग सके? When could they not run away? When could they not run away? Thanks for watching this video.